Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss Experiment 9 Viva questions on Draw the Orthography Projections. Let us see the question number 1. What is an orthography projection? By seeing this image, we can define the orthography projections. An orthography projection is a method of representing a three-dimensional object in two dimensions where projectors are parallel to each other and also perpendicular to the respective plane, that is vertical plane or horizontal plane or profile plane. The projection is called orthography projections. You can see this image. Here the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to corresponding, that is vertical plane. So this type of projection is called orthographic projection. Question number 2. What are the three principal views in orthographic projection? Answer. By seeing this image, you can tell the answer very easily. The first one is front view on vertical plane. It is also called elevation view. Second one is top view or plan view on horizontal plane. The third one is side view is on profile plane. Question number 3. What is the purpose of ortho mode in AutoCAD? The answer is the ortho mode in AutoCAD is used to restrict cursor movement to horizontal or vertical directions. Question number 4. What angle do the projection lines make with the projection plane in orthographic projection? The answer is in orthographic projection, the projection lines are perpendicular to the projection plane. So the answer is 90 degrees are perpendicular lines. Question number 5. What is the another term for the front view in orthographic projection? The answer is elevation view. Here the front view is also called elevation view. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.